because there's monkey bars. You can literally look up. Like, bro, why are they so hard? Look, I can do it again. Look. How do you? Oh, I fell. Hold up. You get a little rest, bro. How the fuck do you fall? How the heck do you fall? Bro, I don't know, bro. Leave me alone. Ow. Okay, sorry. No, I swear to God, you're literally being mean. Actually, bro, chill out for one time. Bro, I just want to do this. Don't kick me out of my fake job. No, you're getting kicked out of your job, bro. Get out of here, bro. You didn't even need to be a doctor or something. Okay. Fine. Jesus. Jesus. Jesus Christ. He's so fucking mean, bro. I said leave! Damn, okay, bro. Not that hard. I just said fucking leave right now, bro. You're not even leaving. Get the fuck out of Home Depot. What the heck? Okay, fine. God gosh. God damn. Anyways, guys, this is my video. By the way, I broke my leg. Guys, you want my Coca-Cola? Right here. Look. It's called Coca-Cola. Look. Coca-Cola. Get that off my face. I said get the fuck out of my face. Is it still over there? Wow. Who was over there? I'll get him settled. Did I just show my face? What the f do you want? I'm literally so far away from your fucking job. Coming back. Are you allowed to be back? Yes, of course. Get out of here. Total staff, bitch. Bye, guys. Goodbye. Bye. See you later.